Amid fresh tensions between India and Pakistan, questions are swirling online about the whereabouts of Pakistan Army Chief General Saeed Asim Munir. Following the deadly terror attack in Pahalgam, which claimed 26 lives, unconfirmed reports emerged online claiming that General Munir had either gone missing or fled the country with his family. Others speculated that he might be hiding in a military bunker in Rawalpindi. These reports, though unverified, gained traction quickly, fueled by a wave of memes, speculation, and hashtags. One of them, hashtag #MunirOut, began trending on the social media platform X, formerly Twitter. Users on both sides of the India Pakistan border questioned the army chief's absence from public view in the past few days. As online chatter intensified, the Pakistan Prime Minister's office stepped in to control the narrative. A post on April 27 featured a photo of General Munir standing alongside Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. The image was taken at the passing out parade of the 151st Long Course at PMA Kakul in Abbottabad on April 26. The caption read, and I quote, Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, Chief of Army Staff General Saeed Asim Munir, and officers of PMA Kakul in a group photo with the graduating officers of 151st Long Course at PMA Kakul, Abbottabad. End quote. But rather than settling the debate, the post raised new questions. Social media users found the timing of the image suspicious. Some even accused the government of posting an AI generated photo to douse speculation. One user called it a false image dump, citing the unusually specific date included in the caption as an attempt to appear authentic. The backdrop to all this is deadly serious. India has responded strongly to the Pahalgam terror attack, which is among the worst in nearly 20 years. Intelligence reports have pointed the finger at Pakistan based terror groups. A proxy group called the Resistance Front, believed to be linked to Lashkar-e-Taiba, has claimed responsibility. In response, New Delhi has taken a series of unprecedented measures. India has suspended the Indus Water Treaty of 1960, a move never made before in the treaty's history. Diplomatic ties have been downgraded, visas issued to Pakistani nationals have been revoked, and the Wagah-Atari border has been closed indefinitely. Tensions were already simmering before the attack. On April 16, General Munir made provocative remarks at the Overseas Pakistanis Convention in Islamabad. Referring to Kashmir, he called it Pakistan's jugular vein and vowed not to abandon what he described as the heroic struggle of Kashmiris. Speaking to a gathering of diaspora Pakistanis, Munir urged them not to forget their roots, calling them ambassadors of a superior ideology and culture. Now, with this recent absence fueling speculation and India's crackdown triggering international concern, the region finds itself at a critical juncture, caught between online conspiracy theories and real world consequences. Is the Pakistan Army chief truly missing or simply lying low? For now, Islamabad insists he's very much present, but many online aren't buying it.